Hello guys, I'm Nagendra and once again I am back, and today this is fifth lecture of this playlist. And in our previous video we just discussed about the intent, but in my today video we will discuss about the utterances. And the main thing you remember that utterances is like a backbone of the chatbot. So guys, so that's why today video is make a little bit big, so don't worry, because utterances is the backbone of the chatbot. So we will discuss utterances in the deep dive and do some practical lab also. So without any delay we just started today topics. It's utterances. Okay, so what is utterances? So basically utterances are the phrases that represent how the user might interact with an intent to accomplish a goal. So the main thing is utterances is like a use to call a intent. Okay, if you are little bit confused, so don't worry, we will just create a lab to clarify all the things. But the main thing is utterances is basically used for call a intent. Okay, so now without any delay we just start our lab. Okay, so in this previous video we just created a intent. Okay, and I have already created an intent with the job. Okay, so if we want to clarify the concept of the utterances, sorry, so we need to create another intent also. Okay, so I just created another intent also, like we are creating a intent like sport. Okay, and okay, so you can see in the left hand side we have already created the two intent. First one is sport and second one is job. Okay, so in the sport you can see the third from the top, it's a sample utterance, it's a part of utterance, and it's also related to the our today topic. So utterances. Okay, so we can define multiple utterances in a single intent. So the main thing is utterances. If we want to call a intent, so behalf of the utterances it's automatically call. Okay, so like suppose if you are confusing, so don't worry, we are creating a lab. So after this lab you can easily understand. So like I'm just looking like sport, so I'm just looking like sport. Okay, I just created utterances. Okay, and like I am free, because when the all thing is free, so we just move on the sport. Okay, and like suppose we are just creating the like football. So right now we are just creating a multiple utterances because we can provide multiple utterances in a single intent. Okay, and inside the job I just you can easily see. Oh sorry, firstly we need to save this intent because utterances is a part of intent. Okay, so we just save it, you can see, and right now we just switch the intent. Now I just move on the job intent, and inside the job intent we have already created some utterances like I am looking job, I am job, search a job, and yeah, the three utterances. Okay, so now we need to, if we want to run this chatbot, so firstly we need to create a build, and it's little bit time taking process. So so you can see here building language English, so we are selected the English language, and our chatbot is right now building, and after the building, successful building, we can easily test this chatbot, and we can and that's why I can, and after that I can show you what is the main role of the utterances and why utterances is the backbone of the chatbot. Yeah, intent. Okay, okay, but it's like, yeah, done. So you can see we have get some green successful message like successfully build language. That means the our build is successfully created. So now we just click on the test button, and we can see. Okay, so right now we are testing our chatbot. You know, we created a chatbot, we created a bot with the name of the job. So right now we are just creating our chatbot. So like suppose if a user come our chatbot and user type like sport, so you can see on that time the chatbot is directly called to the intent with the name of the sport instead of job, you can see. And like suppose user come in the chatbot and user type like job, yeah, looking job, so on that time see, oh yeah, So on the time the job intent is called, so that's why the utterance is the backbone of the role, because behalf of the user query, the chatbot is decided that where it need to navigate. Like when the chatbot is receive some text like looking job, so the chatbot is find behalf of this query that where is need to navigate, either sport or job. So based of the query, it's automatically to navigate to the particular intent, and after that when the intent is calling, so it's perform as per our upcoming scenarios. Okay, so the main thing is utterances, like behalf of the utterances the chat is decided where is need to navigate, yeah, where is need to navigate to the particular intent. Okay, so that's the main motive of the utterances of the today. So thank you guys, thank you. In our upcoming video we will discuss about the slot and slot types. So thank you guys, thanks for watching my video, thanks.